Here I have HUAWEI P10, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open your browser, which you normally use, which everyone normally uses. Then tap here, go to the history, tap clear browsing data. Then you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or even the beginning of time. And then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies inside data, cached images and files, and then you just tap clear data, and after that your history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.